FANUC ROBOSHOT's unique Backflow Monitor shows you the injection process as a curve on the screen, enabling you to check and change your parameters should any irregularities occur. At any moment during the process, you can see what is happening inside the valve, allowing you to monitor the closing characteristics as well as the wear status of the check ring. This allows you to see the effect of process condition changes against the behavior of the check valve. It even helps identify the onset of valve wear without needing to disassemble the barrel assembly. Detect wear to the non-return valve before bad parts are produced. Your benefits? Constant process monitoring, easy detection of irregularities, early scheduling of maintenance tasks, and predictable check ring replacement intervals. Process transparency and stability. You see what's happening inside the barrel without having to open it. Saves up to 8 hours of operating time.